We're having a party today and I'm going to make some decorations, some paper chains using coloured paper. Come and have a look. Got 4 colours here: yellow, blue, orange and pink. We need to cut these into strips, so I'm going to put them all together. Some scissors and make some strips like this. All these bright coloured strips. Now we need to chain them together, so we'll get some sticky tape. Make a loop and stick it like that. There we go. Next I'll choose pink one. And then we loop it through the middle like that. And then we do the same thing. We stick the 2 ends together. There. It's the start of the chain. Now I think I'll choose blue. Stick them together. Orange. There we go. Pink, yellow, blue and orange. Now I just need to stick the rest together. There we go. A colourful paper chain.